In the lithium-ion battery industry, manufacturers face the ultimate problem to obtain a homogeneous cell population from mixed cell samples for the balanced 33140 cylindrical battery pack formation. How do we solve this? To solve this problem, Semco Infratech has come up with the solution in the form of their world-known sorting machines. We will be giving you the details of one of the best 6-channel cell sorting machines, which is known for its precision and perfection. IR testing, internal resistance test. Voltage test, test the voltage of the cell. Precision, offer precise measurements for accurate performance assessment.
Barcode scanning provides barcode scanning. Efficiency, processes enhance efficiency, reducing time and resources required for evaluation. Reliability provides reliable data, aiding in quality control and maximizes their performance and longevity, resulting in better quality batteries. Automation, automated features enhance productivity, allowing for high throughput sorting of 33140 cells. Put the cells into the silo. The wave wheel disturbs the cells to flow to the conveyor belt, which conveys the cells to the ready position. Shift the cylinder to push the cells to the steering wheel, which completes the indexing. Now the cell is pushed to the test position. The test needle is pressed to the battery cell. The tester reads the data, transmits to the computer. The battery is transported to the code scanning position to complete the code scanning. The computer performs gear matching. The batteries are transferred to the sorting belt. The sorting belt runs to the designated gear. The gear cylinder moves the battery out. So here we have explained the features and functions of our cell testing machine. Let us see what our existing customers says about our product.